If your mornings are quiet, if your confidence is slipping, and you're tired of pretending it doesn't bother you, then listen closely. What I'm about to share might surprise you, even shock you. After working with hundreds of men over 60, I've discovered that the number one reason erections weaken isn't always low testosterone. It's poor blood flow. And here's the kicker. The fix isn't a blue pill, an expensive device, or even a supplement. It's a simple, everyday vegetable. Eat it first thing in the morning, and within days, circulation, energy, and your manhood can start to come back. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, a men's health specialist with 7 years of experience helping older men regain strength, vitality, and confidence. And today, I'm going to show you a natural, science-backed solution you can find in any grocery store. Something my patients trust because it works. But before we dive in, take a second to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way, you never miss tips that help you reclaim your strength, energy, and confidence. And tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? It helps me connect with you. Let's start with something most men over 60 aren't told. Erections don't just disappear because you're past your prime. That's the myth. The truth? Blood isn't moving the way it used to, and the reason it slows down is tied to something called nitric oxide, a gas your body produces naturally. It relaxes your blood vessels, letting oxygen-rich blood flow freely, especially to the penis. When you're younger, nitric oxide is abundant. That's why everything worked effortlessly. But after 60, it can drop by more than 70%. Your arteries stiffen, the lining of your vessels, the endothelium, becomes less responsive, and suddenly, the surge of blood that used to fill your penis like a balloon becomes a trickle. It's not that you're broken. Your body is simply asking for help. And here's the part that hits home. This doesn't just affect your performance. It chips away at confidence, your sense of identity, and emotional connection with your partner. Years ago, a patient named Charles, 71, came to me feeling defeated. "I haven't had a full erection in over a year," he admitted quietly. We didn't start with pills or therapy. Instead, I recommended a simple change, a glass of fresh beet juice every morning, just 6 ounces. 2 weeks later, he called me almost in disbelief. "Dr. Hayes, I feel like myself again." That's when I realized something incredible. This wasn't just theory, it was practical, real-life change. So let's break this down. Here's why so many men over 60 struggle, and how to fix it. 1. Ignoring nitric oxide. Biologically, nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax. Without it, blood flow slows. Emotionally, you feel powerless, like your body has betrayed you. Practically, weak circulation shows up as soft erections, low energy, and difficulty enjoying intimacy. 2. Skipping morning timing. Morning is your golden window. Testosterone peaks, blood pressure primes circulation, and your body is ready to absorb nutrients. Delay or skip this, and the same vegetable loses most of its benefit. 3. Eating the wrong breakfast foods. Processed meats, sugary pastries, and too much caffeine spike insulin, constrict vessels, and blunt nitric oxide. That's like pouring cold water on a fire you're trying to start. 4. Not preparing your beet juice properly. Blending, roasting, or using high-quality beet powder matters. Even brushing teeth right before drinking can block the bacteria that help convert nitrates to nitric oxide. Small details have big effects. 5. Overlooking consistency. A one-off won't do much. You need daily commitment for the vascular system to rebuild. Here's the simple, practical routine I recommend for men over 60, morning beet juice. Option 1, half a cup of fresh beet juice on an empty stomach. Option 2, blend a small beet into a morning smoothie. Option 3, 1 scoop of high-quality beetroot powder in warm water, complimentary breakfast, boiled eggs, avocado on whole grain toast, or a small handful of nuts. Avoid processed meats, refined carbs, and excess caffeine. Timing details. Do not brush teeth immediately before or after drinking beet juice. Consume first thing in the morning for optimal nitrate to nitric oxide conversion. Optional add-ons. A 10-minute walk or light stretching afterward boosts circulation further. Biological benefit. Nitrates in beets convert to nitric oxide, relaxing arteries and improving blood flow. Emotional benefit. Feeling energy and responsiveness again restores confidence and dignity. Practical benefit. Firmer mornings, more energy during the day, better sleep, and improved intimacy. Let me share another story. Mr. Anderson, 67, hadn't had a full erection in 8 months. After 2 weeks of morning beet juice, his voice over the phone was lighter, almost surprised. "I woke up this morning and there it was. Not weak, not partial, solid. I didn't need anything extra. He felt pride returning, dignity intact, and he wasn't alone. I've seen plumbers, accountants, veterans, pastors, men who thought their best years were behind them, regain vitality simply by supporting their circulation. You are not beyond help. Your body hasn't given up. It's waiting for the right signal, the right support, and that signal can be as simple as a glass of beet juice. Now let's bring it all together. The problem isn't age, it's circulation, and the solution isn't complicated. It's beets consumed correctly each morning. Timing, consistency, and a supportive breakfast unlock the full effect. Early results may show in just 7 days. By 2 weeks, energy, circulation, and responsiveness improve. By 30 days, you're laying a foundation for long-term vascular and sexual health. Remember, you are not done. Far from it. Your body still responds. Your confidence can return. Your vitality is waiting. So take the first step today. Drink your beet juice, nourish yourself intentionally, and reclaim your mornings and your manhood. If this video gave you hope or a practical action, you can start tomorrow. Like it, comment below, and tell me where you're watching from. Share it with a friend who could use a lift. And don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips to help men over 60 reclaim their strength, energy, and confidence. Age is not the end of vitality. Small, consistent changes can bring comfort, freedom, and confidence. And it starts with one glass, one morning, one decision at a time. Remember, you are capable, your body is resilient, and the best years aren't behind you. They're just beginning.